Hey, what are you doing?
I'm editing my video with Filmora 9.
What kind of YouTube videos do you make?
Makeup videos.
Which one's better?
So my favorite feature of the iPhone is...
What's so funny?
No more treats for you.
Why?
Because I said so.
Why?
Whoa, your video's going viral! Is that all for you? Why's your room a mess?
This is what happened.
Yo, dude, check this out.
Another late night at the office?
Need to work on my transitions.
Hey, are you okay?
I thought he was the one.
Hey, check this out.
Oh wow, where's this?
Hawaii.
I just arrived like
Whoa,
this morning.
you might want to vlog that. So, what's your story?